Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so today's video is on decorating with my most favorite Amazon florals and greenery. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm super excited about this video and I've been wanting to do it for a while because I think Amazon has some of the best faux florals and faux foliage that you can get, especially for the price. So I am going to show you my 20 favorite faux florals and faux foliage, and on top of that I'm going to show you how I decorate some of my favorite pieces with the florals. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, take a minute, hit that notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Alright, I'm so excited to do this video. I've been wanting to do it for a while. I specifically have a page with nothing but florals on my Amazon page. So if you go to my Amazon page, there is literally a category that says florals. I've been redesigning that to make it easier for you guys to find everything. The other thing is home decor. That will have a lot of the vases, the tiered trays, things like that. And then I literally have a category of all my favorite trays because you know I'm obsessed with trays. Let's go ahead and start with tulips. They may be the first flower that I purchased off of Amazon. Could be. So originally I bought pink and I have white, and I switched them out according to how I'm feeling and the season. So right now the white ones are in there. Here's an example. Everything you see on this tray you can get off of Amazon, from the candle to the large wood tray to the glass tray to the matches to the pitcher to the florals. So this is one way that I easily decorate. When it turns February, I'll switch them out and put pink ones in, and they would go so well with the pink matches. I think that would look so cute. But white's great because it goes with everything. The beautiful thing about these tulips is they feel real. They're like made of a rubber kind of material, so they feel real. My mom thought they were real for the longest time. Next ones are chrysanthemums. I love a nice white chrysanthemum. I have those in a wooden box in my bathroom. I think they look really pretty. Very spa-like in my bathroom. So, well, spa country kind of cottagey feel. That's my vibe. And then peonies, obsessed with peonies, love them. Just finally switched out the foliage that I had for Christmas. I put peonies in there, and what's great is you can add additional things. So yeah, you get your bouquet of peonies, but maybe you need a little more greenery. We'll get to it. Hydrangeas, another one that I'm obsessed with. I have these in mason jars. I will show you. Again, I'm showing you pictures, but I'll show you how I actually physically put them in there. It's pretty easy actually. It's like drop them in, y'all. With regards to greenery, I do have greenery that is such a great filler. So I have them with little white flowers and I have them with just straight out green, and I'll show you how I decorated with those. The 3-piece potted plants, obsessed with these. They're everywhere. I have them in my bathroom, I have them in my closet, I have them in my laundry room. Yes, I decorate in my laundry room and in my master closet because I think it looks good. And I'm just gonna show you pictures here in case you haven't seen my master closet. And I did a master closet redo as well as a redo on my laundry room. I will list those in the description box for you guys. Cactuses, mini cactuses. I just don't have a green thumb, y'all. I can't keep things alive. I've got a couple plants, that's it, real plants. Otherwise everything is faux. These are really cute. They're in a nice long wooden box on my windowsill in my bathroom. I put some little white stones in there. Recently just bought eucalyptus. I will show you how I decorate with that. I have but the wreaths, I showed those in my how I decorated with those. For Christmas, I'm going to show you a little different way this time around. Spiral topiaries, those are great. I leave them on my front porch. And then double topiaries. We're going to go into my kitchen and I'm going to show you how I decorate with my 20 most favorite florals from Amazon. All right, guys, so I have a plethora of flowers and foliage and vases. This is what we're gonna work on first. So this is that tiered tray. It's actually quite big, but it's very lightweight. There's about a million things you could do with it. So, I picked up some mini tulips. Let me show you the difference. It's a matter of not the tulip itself. See, they're the same. It's the length of the stem. So these are the ones that I get for the vases, and these are the mini ones. So cute, right? All right, so the other thing that I got was this pack of orbs. Are these not adorable? You could use them as ornaments. That's why there's extra string there. And so they're just twine, and they're done differently. So it came with 8 of those. Of course, my candle, this is by Jolie. Amazing and lovely and beautiful and elegant, and again, white goes with everything. And then the new beading that I'm completely obsessed with are these beads that I think they cost $10 on Amazon. If you tried to find these at Crate and Barrel or Party Barn, you will pay a fortune. So don't do it. Matches, obsessed by matches for decor. Of course, you can use them, and I do use them, but excellent for decor. They're beautiful. And then I recently picked up eucalyptus leaves. So this is what we're gonna do to decorate this little puppy right here, and I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. Haven't planned it out. We're gonna do it together and see what comes of it. The first thing I'm gonna do, these are flat. I'm going to give them some shape. A bunch of the eucalyptus, and again, I'm just opening it up, and I want to have the whole bottom filled with eucalyptus. I'm gonna have the candle at the top. I already know that. Beading in next. And just kind of tulips. Now, these are tied. I'm actually going to take them apart, and I'm going to randomly stick in tulips. Whoops. Okay, now I have a few Orbeez left, but I also want to put the matches up here. And then let's see about putting some orbs in there. And then I feel like we need greenery at the top. We've got our tulips. And it's sort of just, yeah, I just want to make sure that when I go to use the candle that nothing's going to be in the way. What's great about these is you can bend them and they will stick upright. See? Yeah, I kind of like that. Take some of the thicker ones, only 2 of them because they're really bushy, and I'm going to put them in the very back. There we go. I love these matches. They're so cute. Has a little cork, and then at the very bottom, there we go. And so I think it looks so pretty. I'll take some stills, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. The thing is, it also goes with the rest of the decor on the table. The next thing these are those lanterns that I was talking about. This is a beautiful peonies. I just bend the stem. Show you. Okay, bend the stem, put it in there, and voila. Spread them out a little bit. And then the thing that I like is to add of the extra, this is such a great filler, and I just add a little bit, kind of spread it out, and look how gorgeous that looks. So pretty, right? And okay, so I have mason jars all over my house. It was spray paint them a silver, and then just distress them. I've had them for years. Do whatever color makes you happy. You can paint the jar, don't paint the jar. Okay, apothecary jars. I filled it with sand. I took some rocks from my yard, spray painted them silver, and then I just put little stickers on them. This one says dream. Just put them towards the front so you can see them. You could do a hydrangea if you did sunk it really deep in there, but any little potted plant of any color looks so pretty in here. As I push it down a little bit farther than it is. Flowers. With this one, I make sure the flowers are showing, so I push them down to the side. This sits on my mantle year round. Little peony. Fireplace. You can see I already have 2 here, so I have 3 sitting up there. Looks beautiful. We're gonna go into here. See this empty little corner there? No, that's where this beauty goes. So I put this one right there. Here I've already put the tulips. Look how cute they match with the pink matches. So pretty, right? White, pink. I've got a double tray. I love doing a wooden tray and then a glass tray, and of course my favorite candle. So I have the lanterns. I have them on each side. This one I did with the light pink peonies, added a little bit of the greenery. I put them on that side. This one I did in the dark pink. Look how gorgeous this is. And added the greenery. I have this really cute box. This says Home Sweet Home. The great thing about this is it's gonna sit up on the bookshelf here or on the shelving, and so it is only going to be seen from the front. So I'm gonna take those white, because I've got the pink here. I don't wanna have too much pink. I like a lot of white with a hint of pink. So I'm gonna take those white tulips that I just exchanged. I'm going to put them right at the front of the box, and then our favorite little filler, just add a little bit of the greenery. So we've got the box, we've got that done. Now we need to do the big one. These are beautiful. They've got crystals on them, so they are definitely for winter. So I'm just going to put them in here. You can see that I've already, there's this, even though this vase is wide, the opening is very small. There we go. And I don't want them stuck, I want them to be full. This is really small, the entrance, but we can really pull them out. Oh, one more. All right, before I get to the dining room, I want to show you one of my most favorite little tricks, cake pans. For Christmas, had lights in here, super cute. Well, now we're heading towards Valentine's and spring. I am going to sit a little bouquet of pretty little flowers with nice pink and white colors. So cute! So there we have it. Now I'm going to show you. I will take pictures of everything. We're going to the dining room, y'all. First of all, my son has the best taste. He got me this tray, this round tray for Christmas. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm obsessed with it. The candle holders, everything, the candle holders and everything else, Amazon. I found a tray very similar to this. So I love this look. What I did was take those beads, again, super cute, and then these paper flowers. You can buy them in the big and the small. I thought it was super minimalistic, but really pretty. I even got little matching beaded napkin rings, simple white linen napkin, the table runner off of Amazon as well, and that's in this gorgeous neutral fabric. And then the placemats, again, a hyacinth placemat, so I think it looks beautiful together. Over here on the top of the credenza, this needs to be touched up. I need to get some gray paint, so ignore that. But I decided to try something a little bit different. I'm always trying things, guys. I mean, how boring is life if you know, don't try things. So again, cake stand. This time around, I put the wreath on the bottom. Again, got this right off of Amazon. It just came a few days ago. Put it on here. Shut the lid. I think it looks amazing. All right, super, super easy project. However, if you don't want to do this project, I found where it has the mason jars, and I'd say it's probably this width. The mason jars are already attached to the wood off of Amazon. Simple. And then these are just letterings. Again, I distressed them. You clip them on. I mean, it's really an easy project, but Amazon makes it easier. One little hydrangea. Well, it's a big hydrangea. No. Tip off. Boom. My favorite filler. You can use anything. Eucalyptus would be pretty in here. Lavender would be pretty in here. Oops. I go. Let me do it. This. There we go. Boom. Done. All right, guys. I've shown this multiple times, but I'm going to show it again. So right here, let me flip the light on. Okay, so we talked about those vases with the chrysanthemums. Let me show you. So, real simple. These came in a 3-pack. The chrysanthemums, they came in a pack of I don't know how many, but I just put them really cute, simplistic, spa-like. These came in a 3-pack. They're my favorite, but I have them spread. So I might have 2 here, and then I bought 2 packs of them. So I have them, sometimes I have them in 2s, sometimes I have them in 3s. A whole bunch of chrysanthemums. So this box sits, you've seen it. If you've watched my channel, you have seen this. I just have these sitting. There's light, so I have them sitting next to apothecary jars filled with bath salts, bath bombs, all of that good stuff. I don't think you're going to be able to see. I think it's going to be too dark over here, but I'm going to show you. Oh, maybe it will work. There we go. That's where they sit. Boom. All right, guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed how I decorate with Amazon's flowers and foliage and florals. I think that you could do so much. They have such great prices for the florals, and then pretty much everything will be linked in the description box. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.